The 1 minute declutter. That's what I want you to do. A 1 minute declutter is what I call a clutter stop. And it's what you pick up, don't pass up. A clutter stop is when you look around the room and you say, I see you and I have a place for you, and you go put it in that place. Or you say to your children, honey, I know you have a place for your shoes. Where is it? That's right. Go put it in there, and then you follow up by inspecting what you expect. So it'll take about a minute to declutter a room with a clutter stop. Now, you are not deep decluttering. You're not saying, where does this go? I don't have a place for it yet. Let me think where I want to put it. Do I want to give it away? It costs so much. Is it worth keeping? Do I need to throw it away? That's decluttering. Clutter stop is when you just say, I see you, I have a place for you. So I have a pair of reading glasses, of actual glasses here. These are my computer glasses. These are my regular glasses. These glasses have a place. It's on my face. These glasses go into this container. In this container. And these glasses go in this container. Okay? So look at it, say, I see you, I have a place for you, and put it away. It takes about a minute.